Hi everyone, I'm Phil.
And I'm Pauline. And we're Mouse and Mermaid. Today we're gonna be trying some hot cocoa. A very happy December 9th and day 9 of Vlogmas. We are going to kick this video off with my pin advent calendar. It was curated by my friend Mary over at Jolly Holiday with Mary. So I highly encourage you, after you watch this video, to go head over to her channel and see what pin I curated for her that she unboxed today. We are opening this cute little blue house today. We have another little turtle from Duffy and Friends. Please tell me below how to pronounce his name. I'm going to mess this up all of Vlogmas. And here is little Duffy's friend. He is looking so cute on a surfboard. And one of my favorite features of him is on the back of his little shell, there is a Mickey. And that is just his standard design, which I adore. Mary, thank you so much. Now let's get into today's video.
So today on Mouse and Mermaid, we're gonna do a hot cocoa taste test. We have seven, whatever, equally qualified contestants, and we're going to judge them and break 6 hearts today.
Phil really enjoys hot cocoa around the holiday season. Other than eggnog, it's probably his favorite holiday beverage.
That's true. It's also the only hot beverage I drink.
Yeah, so you know how much he loves it. So first we're gonna start out with the classics, and we kind of have 2 different preparations of hot cocoa here. There is Keurig prepared hot cocoa, and then just like standard, you stir it up yourself hot cocoa.
Yeah. All of it is water-based. There's no milk-based cocos here, unfortunately. That would always be my preference. Pauline tried to get some that she thought were milk-based, and it turns out that they're water-based.
But you could probably make all of these with hot milk, so.
Oh, then why didn't we?
So the first one we have is the classic Starbucks hot cocoa. So this is Keurig. You just put the pot in and you're ready to go. Also, this video will be featuring vintage mugs, courtesy my mom and grandma.
Ooh, take it back. These handoffs are not going to be smooth because these things are freaking hot.
Just like the littlest sip.
It's good.
It's
like your standard.
It's okay. It's not really super chocolatey like I want it to be.
It does what it needs to do. It is exactly as advertised. It's just a standard hot cocoa. It's easy to prepare. It gets the job done, but it's not like, it doesn't leave you feeling warm or Christmassy or anything like that.
Yeah, I feel like just when you're about to get enough chocolate, it stops.
And there's the water.
Yeah. So the next thing I found, and I found a lot of these, apparently Land O'Lakes makes hot cocoa. So, and they're using their old logo too. So they had about 10 different flavors, and the first one we're gonna put up the Starbucks against the Chocolate Supreme hot cocoa from Land O'Lakes, and these are all individual serving. And obviously these are the stir kind, and I feel like I can't stir them enough. They just won't be officially hot cocoa. We got a nice Santa, this one. He's resting on December 26th. Not as hot, you're good.
That's way better than the Starbucks.
Way better. It's got almost a frothy feeling to it, and that might be because we stirred it up, but I don't know, even though there's not milk in it, it feels milky.
It does. It's got a great consistency to it. I don't know, it's like powder mixed in with water, but
oh, it's so yummy.
Yeah, it's very
I
good.
would totally get this one again.
Yeah. I would give the Starbucks one a numerical 7 out of 10. I would give that definitely like an 8.5 out of 10.
All right, next flavor is hazelnut. So these are next couple are gonna be like Land O'Lakes, different flavor. So if they're as good as that one, I'm interested to see how the flavored ones are gonna do.
Yeah, I don't know why we need hazelnut hot chocolate, but I'll try it.
Hazelnut sounds good.
She likes everything. Everything's good and pretty and wonderful and nice.
No, I said I didn't think the first one was great. All right, we got some stockings. Mmm.
Oh, that tastes like dirty crab water.
Do you not like hazelnut?
Oh.
I think if you like hazelnut, this is fantastic.
That is disgusting.
No, it's not.
Ugh. Please hand me the next one so I can get that taste out of my mouth. The water you boil crab in, how that smells is how that tastes.
Okay, now all I can taste is that.
Because that's exactly what it tastes like.
Apparently I like crab water.
Please hand me the next one. I need to get that taste out of my mouth.
Yeah, it does have a...
It tastes like dirty crab water.
Okay, maybe the hazelnut wasn't a win.
I give that a -1 out of 10.
It did have the frothy feel though,
frothy crab water. Please, let's move on.
Do you like a frothy hot cocoa? Land O'Lakes is the way to go, apparently.
Yeah, I'm gonna petition they change that label from hazelnut to king crab water.
Next one is French vanilla. Got a little holiday bunny. Oh, I don't know. Bunnies are very holiday-like.
It doesn't taste like anything.
No, it does. It's not as frothy, it's more creamy.
I don't like it.
I don't mind it, but I don't know, this to me feels more like a latte than a hot cocoa.
3 out of 10. Land O'Lakes, stick to butter.
Oh, their regular hot cocoa is good.
Yeah, and then everything after it was like, oh, let's waste a bunch of money.
Well, this is the last Land O'Lakes. It's raspberry.
Okay.
Raspberry chocolate works.
Yes, yes, this is actually promising. French vanilla chocolate, that's what I want, vanilla chocolate.
That's why it made me think of like a very creamy, like cappuccino or something. Candy canes, another Christmas candy.
It smells really good.
Okay.
I don't hate it.
I love it. I think it's fantastic.
It's actually pretty good. They nailed it on that one. Mm-hmm. That's a solid 7.5 out of 10.
I don't know if I like this more than Chocolate Supreme though.
No, Chocolate Supreme better.
Full disclosure, we've had this one before. This is the salted caramel hot cocoa. It's by Berry House. We love this.
It's very good.
It's really good.
I don't even know why we reviewed this one. We could have just talked about it, but I'm glad I get to have some.
We get to have it again. It's with the bells. And I would say like the Keurig, you don't have to worry about stirring it. It just comes right out. All mixed up.
Bells. 10 out of 10. Easy.
Yeah. The scent when it's coming up, you know it's salted caramel, and then you taste it and it's very smooth. You taste the nice bit of salt content in there.
There is like the thin wateriness and the aftertaste, but it's such a rich flavor, it really doesn't matter.
Yeah, I wish it had the frothiness of the Land O'Lakes, but I think that would, for me, make it a perfect 10.
Yeah. Yeah, it's probably not a 10 out of 10 for me. I'd say probably a 9, solid 9. That wateriness just doesn't do it for me.
Yeah, if it was frothy, it'd be perfect.
I think that's kind of one of the advantages that the mix-in powder has over it. Kind of thickens the liquid a little bit, so it's a little bit more convincing as a hot cocoa.
Yeah, but I also feel like it never mixes all the way. You get that one little chunk spot. So this one is definitely the cutest packaging. It's peppermint, and this is by Swiss Miss, the classic hot chocolate brand.
Yeah.
So it's peppermint.
This better be the best if they want to be the classic.
I feel like we didn't taste the classic Swiss Miss, so we can't really.
Why didn't you get classic Swiss Miss?
So the peppermint actually comes with little peppermint marshmallows. So bonus, none of these other ones had marshmallows in the hot cocoa.
Instant 10 out of 10.
I did the peppermint last though because I feel like once you have the peppermint, your taste buds are ruined.
Tastes like peppermint tea mixed in with some chocolate.
See, I totally disagree. I think you can totally mess up and do way too much peppermint. I think it's just a hint of peppermint. It's perfect. You taste the hot cocoa, and the peppermint is more the smell when you bring the hot cocoa up. It's there, but it's not, like sometimes you can go overboard with the mint and it's not enjoyable.
So I would say if I had to pick 3 favorites, it would be the Land O'Lakes Chocolate Supreme. obviously the Berry House salted caramel, and then probably the Land O'Lakes raspberry.
I would probably pick those two, but I actually love that peppermint one also. So
it was okay, but like I can't get past the fact that it tastes like tea. It's got, like,
maybe
that
if it
tea
had
flavor.
milk, then it would be better.
Yeah, maybe.
Apparently next year we need to make our hot cocoa with milk.
Well, there's still plenty of time this year.
Well guys, that is it. We hope you enjoy some hot cocoa this season and delicious holiday beverages. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a big thumbs up and comment below. Tell us what was your favorite hot cocoa we tried, if you've had them before, and if you haven't had them before, what one are you most intrigued by? And if you enjoyed our content, we hope that you will join us for the rest of Vlogmas. We are chugging right through with weekly vlogs and fun Christmas magic. So we hope you'll give that a subscribe and ring the notification bell if you're already a subscriber. I hope that you guys have a very Merry Christmas. Peace, love, and Kwaherini. Before you go, we wanted to make sure you had a chance to catch our feature in-park video for Vlogmas. You can find a link to the video up above or down in the description. This is part 2 of Mia and I eating our way around Epcot. You won't want to miss this because there is another food malfunction. We also head over at the end of the video to Wilderness Lodge to eat at Whispering Canyon Cafe. I hope you'll go give it a watch.